Hi guys, welcome to Water Braiding and Extensions. My name is Joy Fido and I got something exciting for you. We're constantly being asked about our wig making course, our wig making workshop. So we put something together just for you. Now, if you're thinking wig making, who would be the kind of person that will be looking at how to make a wig? Of course, the salon owner. And if you own a salon, you want to learn how to make wig. If you're a stylist, you want to learn how to make wig. If you're a university student, my children are university students, and right now they need the extra income, they need the extra money apart from whatever else that's coming their way. So you got two hands, you can learn how to do this. It's so easy. So that's the kind of person that will be looking at making wig. But look at what I'm wearing. This is a homemade wig. I make these wigs. You've seen my videos. I wear so many different wigs. That doesn't mean my hair is not healthy underneath. So it just gives you that choice of creating that image you want people to see at that point in time. And now, because of this, so many people have caught on the wig idea. Wig is not like it used to be with our, great-grandparents and our parents past. Wig is become the in thing, is in vogue, is the way people want to be seen, whatever color you want. You can, these days people are going blue, green, yellow, pink. So you can change your hairstyle to suit your mood. That's what I love to call it. Change your hairstyle to suit your mood. And what's going to give you that? It's wig. I mean, people go for, hair extensions. We do the weaves, we do all the braiding, but these things take hours to do. But wig, once you got the one, you got the two, you got the three. In my case, people ask me how many wigs do you have. I say it's uncountable. So you can have whatever color, whatever length, whatever texture in a wig in an instant. And so we have created this amazing workshop for you to come and learn how to do this properly, because I get people bring all these wigs they've got from all sorts of areas, and they go, please, can you fix this wig for me? Someone made this for me. And we want you to know how to make it professionally so that your clients are happy, or you make it for yourself. So 2 days workshop we put together. Now, day one, we're going to guide you how to run your own wig making business. We're going to guide you to understand how to care for wigs. We're going to guide you to look at the benefits of wigs, so that by the time you're marketing to your clients, you know what to tell them. And then later part of that day one, we start stitching the wig. We start to stitch it. We got the hair extensions, we got the needles, we got the wig cap, we've got everything put together for you as a kit for your training. And then day two, we finish making this wig. So that's the program we have for you. We want you to get on board and be like the rest of the world and, change your image, look the part. People get jobs easily from their image. People are flying from their image. I mean, you would know about that. Look at Instagram. People get followers from their image. Thousands of followers. So your image does count. So get on this workshop, 2-day workshop. Look at the amount of knowledge you're going to get with just your hands. And change your world. Put extra money in your hands, in your pocket. So we look forward to seeing you in that workshop. It is going to be so exciting. And we are so excited to share our years of knowledge with you. Over how many years we've been in this business? We know hair. We know the business of hair. And we want to share all of that with you. See you there. Okay, now the reason we put this course together is the demand is so high. People are desperate and curious. They want to know how to do this. But in order for us to be able to attend to everyone in that class, we've narrowed the numbers in the class. So it's going to be it's a very close-knit class, such that our attention is on everyone. Just about 6 people in a class. But we're hoping for this year to just do the one class. So seats are limited, just 6 people in a class. You don't want to miss this because we don't know when the next class is going to be. So you want to be part of this. See you then.